Hey guys, this is another component of the system. It's a charge controller. You can see that 15 amps is checked, and I just checked the panel, and it didn't say the amps, but it is a 100-watt panel, and maximum it carries 20 volts. So if you do 100 watts divided by the 20 volts, it'll say that one of the maximum amperages it'll carry is 5, and it's okay for this to be oversized. You just don't want it has fuses inside of it, so if too much is pulled through, this is going to trip just like the inverter. So but this is going to regulate this charge into the battery so that we don't overcharge it, we don't have the sulfuric acid coming out of it, and it's going to extend out the life of that battery and keep it at that optimal point. So you can see positive and negative. We've got our solar right here. This will work on a 12 or a 24 volt system, and it has a battery connection right here for a positive and negative, and then you could put a DC load right here because this would be DC power coming in.